Chapter 5 Introduction to MS PowerPoint 2016. Topics covered: Presentation, Starting PowerPoint, Adding text and placeholders, Saving a presentation, Opening a presentation, Slide layouts, Adding a new slide, Adding images to a presentation, Navigation between the slides, Running a slideshow, Closing and exiting a presentation. Presentation. A presentation refers to the representation of any concept through pictures, graphics, text and other media tools. Example: an advertisement is a presentation of the product which makes it attractive for the buyers. PowerPoint 2016 is an application software that helps us to make presentations including text, graphics, pictures and other multimedia. The default file extension of PowerPoint 2016 is a PPTX. Each page in a presentation is known as a slide. When all the slides are combined together and played in a sequence, it is called a slideshow. Starting PowerPoint. To start with, follow the below steps to open PowerPoint 2016. Step 1. Click on the Start button present at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Type PowerPoint in the search box. A list of applications appears. Click PowerPoint 2016. The PowerPoint Start screen appears. Click Blank Presentation from the right pane of the Start screen. The PowerPoint application window appears containing a single slide. Let us now get familiar with the various parts in a PowerPoint file. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the application program, i.e. PowerPoint, and the title of the current presentation. It also contains the Quick Access toolbar on the left side of the title bar and the control buttons on the right side. The Quick Access toolbar contains the most frequently used commands like save, undo and redo, by default. Ribbon. The ribbon is located below the title bar. It contains several tabs like File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab contains various tools to create, edit and format presentations in PowerPoint. File tab. The File tab is present on the top left side of the ribbon just below the Quick Access toolbar. It contains options to perform file-related operations such as New, Open, Save, Save As, Print and Close. When we click the File tab, the Microsoft Office Backstage view appears. We can choose the desired option from here. Slide area. The slide area is the document area located in the middle of the PowerPoint window. This is the area where we work the most. It displays the active slide, which usually contains dotted text boxes known as the placeholders. These placeholders can hold content such as text, including body text, bulleted lists, and titles, tables, charts, smart art graphics, movies, sounds and pictures. Slides pane. The Slides pane is a strip present on the left side of the PowerPoint window. It shows the thumbnails of all the slides present in the current presentation. We can add, delete, duplicate and reset a slide from here. Status bar. It is a horizontal strip present at the bottom of the PowerPoint window that provides information about the open presentation such as its slide number, applied theme, etc. It also includes the view buttons and zoom controls. Cyber tidbits. The keyboard shortcut for creating a new PowerPoint presentation is Ctrl+N. Adding text in placeholders. To add text in placeholders, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click inside the Click to add title placeholder and start typing. Step 2. Click inside the Click to add subtitle placeholder and start typing. Saving a presentation. Once we are done with our presentation, we should save it so that we can view it in future. To save a presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. click the File tab and then click the Save As option. Step 2. Click the Browse option from the middle pane of the Backstage view that appears. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Choose the desired location from the left pane of the dialog box. Step 4. Type a name for the document in the File Name text box along with the extension PPTX. Step 5. Click the Save button. Cyber Tidbits. Once the file is saved, you can simply click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar to save the changes. Opening a presentation. To open an existing presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the File tab and select the Open option. Step 2. Click the Browse option from the middle pane of the Backstage view that appears. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Locate the file from the left pane of the dialog box. Step 4. Select the file we want to open and click the Open button. The file will be opened. Slide layouts. Slide layouts contain formatting, positioning, and placeholders for all the content that appears on a slide. Microsoft PowerPoint provides a list of different layouts from which we can choose. These slide layouts are as follows. Title slide. This layout can be used to give a title and a subtitle to the presentation. Title and content. This layout is divided into two parts: title, where we can add a title for the slide, and content, where we can add text, images or graphics like charts, pictures, etc. Section header. This layout is used to separate different sections of the same presentation and is an alternate to the title slide layout. To content. This layout is used to add text content along with the graphic content. Comparison. This slide layout is similar to the to content layout but also includes a heading text box over each type of content. Title only. This layout is used to place only a title on the slide. Blank. This layout is used to insert graphic content without any information. Content with caption. This layout is used to insert content on the right side of the slide along with a title and some text to describe the content on the left side. Picture with caption. This layout is used to insert an image on the upper part of the slide along with a caption or some information below the image. Adding a new slide. When we create a new presentation, only one slide is present with the title layout by default. To add more slides to our presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the arrow below the New Slide button on Home tab. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Select the desired layout from the options in the drop-down menu. A new slide with the selected layout is added just after the current slide. Adding images to a presentation. Images in a presentation enhance its look and make it look more attractive. PowerPoint allows us to add images stored in our computer as well as online pictures from the internet. Inserting pictures stored in our computer. To insert a picture stored in the hard disk of our computer, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Create a new slide with blank slide layout. Step 2. Click the Insert tab and then click the Pictures button in the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired image we want to insert and click the Insert button or simply double-click the image. Cyber Tidbits. We can resize an image using the sizing handles that appear on the edges of an image when we select it. Inserting online pictures. We can also insert pictures from the internet. To do so, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Online Pictures button in the Images group on the Insert tab. The Insert Pictures dialog box appears. Step 2. Enter the keywords in the Bing image search text box and press the Enter key. The images matching with the keyword appears. Step 3. Select the desired image and click the Insert button. The image is inserted in the slide. Navigating between the slides. When we add multiple slides in our presentation, we need to move from one slide to another. There are several ways of navigating between the slides. Click on the thumbnail of the desired slide in the Slides pane. Click on Previous Slide button or Next Slide button below the vertical scroll bar in the right side of the window. Drag the vertical scroll bar to move to the desired slide. Running a slideshow. A slideshow is a display of the slides in a presentation in a sequence to the audience. It often refers to a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. To run a slideshow, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select any of the following options in the Start Slideshow group on the Slideshow tab. From Beginning, use to run the slideshow from the first slide. From Current Slide, use to run the slideshow from the current slide on which we are working. Present Online, used to share the presentation to viewers through the internet. Custom Slideshow, used to run the slideshow of only the selected slides. Step 2. Single-click on the slide while the slideshow is running to display the next slide until it reaches the end of the presentation. To end the slideshow right away, right-click anywhere on the slide and click the End Show option from the shortcut menu that appears. Cyber Tidbits. We can begin a slideshow by pressing the F5 key on the keyboard and end the presentation by pressing the ESC key. Closing and exiting a presentation. To close a presentation, click the File tab and select the Close option. If changes made in the presentation are not saved, then a prompt box is displayed which asks us to save them. Click Save to save the changes. Don't save to discard the changes and cancel to return back to the PowerPoint window. To exit PowerPoint application, click the Close button on the title bar. The PowerPoint window will be closed.